Foodborne illness. Introduction. Some harmful bacteria may already be in foods when they are purchased. Select true or false. Correct. Some harmful bacteria may already be in foods when they are purchased. Other times, food can get contaminated when it is not handled or prepared properly. All foodborne illnesses cause diarrhea or vomiting. Select true or false. Correct. Symptoms of foodborne illnesses depend on the cause. The only treatment needed for most foodborne illnesses is replacing lost fluids and electrolytes. Select true or false. Correct. Perishable foods kept at room temperature for up to 4 hours are okay to eat. Select true or false. Correct. Refrigerate or freeze raw and uncooked perishable foods right away. If perishable foods stand at room temperature for more than 2 hours, they may not be safe to eat. It is okay to eat fruits and vegetables without washing them. Select true or false. Correct. Always wash fruits and vegetables under running water just before eating, cutting, or cooking. Thank you for using Explain.